For example, we have a battery here on 3.7 volt as our mobile's battery, and this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Okay, it is a old diagram. Okay, and we have a LED diode here, okay, on load. Fine. So if we are using a HBR of 1K, for example, okay, so HBR will used on parallel connection. Fine. So this is the parallel connection. Okay, so if we place a HBR here, so the diagram will be like this. Okay, so suppose this is R1. Always register is written on diagram on R, okay, as R. So the 3.7 voltage is coming from this side on positive terminal or positive line. Okay, and if the power supply is above 3.7 or 4 volt or 4.5 volt, okay, as per as determined. Okay, if we required here 3.7 volt, so the HBR, the resistor, will pass the 3.7 volt only. The 3. Suppose we supply here from 6 volt, okay, towards this. The 6 volt is come like this, okay, and come to this. The 6 volt is the excess volt from 3.7. It means the another 2.3 voltage will be grounded with the HBR here, okay, on the negative line. If it's grounded, it will be 0 here. Okay, and the 3.7 will again pass to the load. Okay, so it works like a controller. Fine. If we required here 3.7 volt, the resistor will supply only the 3.7 volt, and the other excess voltage the resistor will do ground this excess voltage. Okay, so that the constant 3.7 voltage will be supplied on the load or required load. Okay, okay, now if we use a series connection, so this is a battery, okay, this is the plus, this is the minus. Okay, so we have two lines here, and we placed a LVR or HBR, whatever it may. We placed a LVR here, low value resistor. Okay, also you known as the fuse resistor. Okay, and the supply will be to a point, to a required load, to a required load. Okay, so what will happen? Will supply here required is 4 volt. Fine. We have here the 4 volt charger. This is you can say charger connector. This is a charger connector. Okay, this is a charger connector. Okay, and the positive is connected to a LVR. For example, it's a charger connector actually. Okay, so we are supplying here, we required here 4 volt. Okay, we required here 4 volt. If by voltage fluctuation or any other reason, if the supplied voltage will be the 5.5 volt, so what will happen? The 5.5 volt is come here. Okay, and if when it enters the 5.5 volt, this LVR, this fuse resistor will be damaged from here. It means broken from here, so that the 5.5 volt cannot pass to the load, so that this load is protected. To protection, as a fuse resistor, LVR is used in series connection. Okay. So now discuss, if we place a LVR resistor on parallel connection, what will happen? Okay. So this is a LVR resistor. If we place in parallel connection, LVR resistor never used in parallel connection because it's a LVR is R2. Okay, this one is R1, this one is R2, this is R2. When 3.7 volt comes here, the total 3.7 will be grounded, connected to ground, so it will make a short circuit here. Did you understand? So LVR is never used in parallel connection. It works on series connection. Okay, it works on series connection because all the voltage he passes as per its resistance. As per its resistance, all the currents will pass through this resistor up to a constant voltage. Okay, it means this side will beep. It means this is connected without resistance, and on HBR this side will not beep. It means it's not connected. Between this a big resistance is there. Okay, if you place a low value resistor here on series connection, the voltage will be grounded. All the voltage will be grounded. You will see here beep and here beep. It means it's a short. If you beep, if you connect to the positive to the negative, what will happen? It's directly connecting to positive with negative, positive with negative. It means it's a short circuit. Hope you understand. Fine. Thank you.